Hello, today we're going to talk about order of operations, and we're just going to talk about the basics. With order of operations, the acronym is Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D are multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. Now, so what you should do is solve whatever's inside the parentheses first, following order of operations, then simplify any exponents, then solve any multiplication division in that order from left to right, but you can switch them around. So if you're doing multiplication division at the same time, just whatever it is from left to right, do them all at the same time. Same with addition and subtraction. We'll get into the examples and we'll talk about that more. Now, mainly we are focusing on simple, basic, so we're only going to look at multiplication division and addition and subtraction in this section. We might throw in some parentheses as well. So first, here is my problem, 5 plus 4 times 3 minus 2. To follow order of operations, I look down my list, there's no parentheses, there's no exponents, there is multiplication and division. So I do the multiplication first, I get 12. Now everything else gets rewritten that I haven't used. All I've done is 4 times 3, so I still have a 5 plus and then a minus 2 at the end. Next, we're going to do addition and subtraction at the same time. So 5 plus 12 is 17. 17 minus 2 is 15. Basic. And you're done. Let's look at another problem. Here we have some parentheses. Well, we have to do what's inside the parentheses first. So look at the first set of parentheses. It says 5 plus 4. Look at the other set of parentheses, 3 minus 2. We can do that before we do anything else. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. Once we have everything inside the parentheses done, we don't need the parentheses anymore, and you just have 9 times 1, which of course is 9. One more problem here, a little bit more complicated. In this situation, you have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, plus you have parentheses. So do what's in the parentheses first. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now rewrite everything else. 8 divided by 4 minus 1 plus 5 times 2. Look for exponents. There aren't any, so we can skip that step. Next, multiplication and division. We have to do them at the same time from left to right. So you start on the far left and you work your way right. It says 8 divided by 4. Do that first. And you get 2. Then 5 times 2 is 10. Now rewrite minus 1 and the plus in the middle. Next, do addition and subtraction from left to right. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 10 is 11. That's basic order of operations. And as always, thank you for using Seyer Mathematics.